Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to play Kabalevsky's Opus 39 number 9. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and make sure to check the notifications bell to never miss a new video. Also, I now offer online piano lessons. If you're looking for one, there's information in the description below. So again, a couple of words about the book. Kabalevsky's Opus 39 is an amazingly efficient and good book to learn technique, expression and musicality style from kind of prep level all the way to grade 1, grade 2. Every piece teaches you a different kind of technical challenge. They are very short kind of character pieces, so it's really fun to work through the book even if you don't do all of the songs. In this video we're going to look at number 9. First, I'm going to play it for you, and then I'll let you know what are the difficulties and how to approach the piece. So it's really short, as you could hear, very kind of playful, bouncy. So we had some staccatos in the previous pieces, but this one is a little bit different because we have staccato chords at the same time, so there's a bit more energy going on in the piece. Now, as you can see, the time signature is 4/4, so we have 4 beats in every bar, 4 crotchet or quarter note beats, and the key signature is 1 flat, so F major. Every B is going to be flat in this piece. Now the left hand has 4 or 5 chords, and it's very wise to learn the chords first and make sure the hand can transition without any staccato. So let's start with the left hand. The first chord we have is an F major chord, 1, 3, 5, and then the last bar of the first line is going to change to a G minor 7. And you can see here is a little bit of an awkward position because we have 4, 5, 3 and 1, or you can use 2, whichever feels more comfortable. So switching between the 2 chords is a really good practice to make sure you're not going to hesitate at the chord change point. So F major, G minor 7, F major, G minor 7. And then the G minor 7 is going to resolve into a G major 7, so the flat disappears and it becomes a B natural, which is even harder if you're not used to playing very kind of condensed chords. Then this one is going to be quite difficult to get down because the number 3 will want to go down with it. So make sure the number 3 stays up and it's just D, B, G and F. And then we go back to F major, a C major in first inversion, E, G, C, and then a D minor 7, C major, and F major chord. All of the notes are staccato in the left hand apart from the final chord, which is a tenuto mark, so you have to hold it to the full value, and it's also going to be slightly more accented than the rest of the notes, so a little bit more pressure on it. Now, needless to say, when you play chords, the key thing is to have curved fingers and arched hand, and to make sure your hand is relaxed and the 3 notes or 4 notes in some cases go down perfectly together. So if your first chord sounds like this, with a collapsed hand, it's never gonna work. So your hand needs to be nicely raised and concentrating on keeping those 3 notes perfectly together. And when you can do that, then you should go into the staccatos. Now the staccatos are gonna be not from the finger, but from the arm. So the arm has to get into some heaviness and bounce back from those chords. And let's do now the whole left hand counting with the staccatos. We have a lot of rest, so the counting kind of goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's about the left hand. Now right hand has a melody, And as you can see, all the notes are staccato all the way through, apart from the last note again. And we have some skippy 5-finger motion and some repeated notes, and again broken up by some rest. So we start in the F major position, 1 on the F, 5 on the C, and let's play the right hand slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, rest, 3, rest. Then stretching up to D number 5. 1, 2, 3, rest, B natural, C, 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 1, rest, 3, rest, F. So very simple melody in the right hand, but playing it staccato and fast is a little bit harder. Now here we can use more finger staccato and less heavy arm weight because it's single notes. And when you combine the two hands together, you just need to really watch those rests in the left hand and the right hand to make sure that you don't hold the notes any longer than you need to. So slowly. Rest. So that speed should be plentiful in the beginning. And the final thing, when you can do it confidently with the articulation, you need to add some dynamics. Now, dynamics are different in different editions of this book. I've seen multiple dynamics markings and even tempo markings, but the one I have here starts forte, and so loud, and in the third bar you go quiet, then loud again at the end of the first line, then quiet again, loud, finishing loud. So it's just a little bit of dynamics going loud and quiet to make sure that you practice playing these big chords, not just loud with full body arm weight, but also gently, because it can be very hard to play it quietly and still accurately. It's more concentration. So here it is slowly. Hopefully this helped you to master this little piece by Kabalevsky. Check back for number 10 in the next episode. Thank you very much for watching.